Dear children, where do we live in? Yes, we live in this beautiful and sacred land called India. India is rich in its culture and customs. It has a huge diversity. People of different communities and different religions live here. They live like brothers and sisters. They celebrate many festivals round the year. So, let us see some of the festivals and cultural dances of India. Children, India is a huge country having 28 states and 8 union territories. Have you ever been to the northeastern states of India? Have you ever met with the people of this part? Have you seen their festivals observed? People of northeastern states of India too celebrate their festivals with much interest. So children, let us discuss about the topic of your textbook of Communicative English named Festivals of Northeast India and know about the people, their festivals and customs of this beautiful region of India. We have divided the paragraphs of this chapter into several sense group paragraphs. Let us discuss about the first two SGPs or sense group paragraphs. The text SGP 1. The Northeast India is a collective name for the easternmost parts of India, representing both a geographic and administrative division of the country. The region comprises of 8 states, namely Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim, Nagaland and Tripura. The contiguous 7 states such as Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura are commonly described as the land of 7 sisters because of their interdependence on each other. On the other hand, Sikkim is geographically not a contiguous part of the northeast region. It is separated from the northeast by Siliguri corridor. So, it is not included in the land of 7 sisters. However, Sikkim has happily taken up the role of being a little brother to the amazing 7 sisters. Notes and glossary. SGP 1. Collective, forming a group. Geographic, related to land. Administrative, official. Division, part. Region, one of the areas of a country having its own customs. Comprise, formed from. Interdependence, depending on each other. Contiguous, touching or sharing the boundaries with each other. Separate, split apart. Corridor, a long, narrow strip of land that follows the course of an important road. The text, SGP 2. The northeastern regions of India is a place of diverse cultures. The different communities and tribes of Northeast India celebrate their unique festivals with great enthusiasm and joy. Many of these festivals are based on agriculture, and no celebration is complete without traditional music and dance. Notes and glossary, SGP 2. Diverse, different, Bibidha. Culture, a way of life, Sanskruti. Community, a group of people sharing the same tradition. Celebrate, to observe. Enthusiasm, great interest or eagerness. Traditional, related to tradition. Summary, SGP 1 and 2. Children, the Northeast India is a beautiful part of our country. It comprises of 8 states. These are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura. Amongst these states, states such as Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura are known as the land of 7 sisters. Sikkim is not a part of the Northeast region because it is separated from the 7 sisters by the Siliguri corridor, that is, a long, narrow strip of land. Siliguri corridor is also known as Chicken's Neck, which is a part of West Bengal, a state of India. However, Sikkim is known as the little brother to these amazing 7 sisters. The northeastern regions of India is full of different cultures. Many tribes and communities live in these regions. They observe many festivals with great interest and joy. The festivals are based on agriculture. Traditional music and dance is an important part of their festivals. Now, dear children, answer these questions. What is Northeast India? Which states are called the land of 7 sisters? How is Sikkim separated from the 7 sisters? What role does Sikkim play? What are the festivals of Northeast India based on? Now, the answers to these questions are: the Northeast India is a collective name for the easternmost geographic and administrative parts of India. States namely Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura are called the land of 7 sisters. Sikkim is separated from the 7 sisters by Siliguri corridor. Sikkim plays the role of a little brother to these 7 sisters. The festivals of Northeast India are based on agriculture. Thank you.